My name is Kelley Wasson. I am Director of Operations for Stimulist. Before starting to work with video power marketing, I had a few hesitations. I was concerned about would they be able to get us the ideal clients that we were looking for. We were looking for a very specific client avatar who was very diverse. I also didn't know if they could handle another client. We've worked with agencies before where they would bring us on as a client. We would be very happy in the beginning and then slowly realized that we were just another number and we weren't prioritized. When working with video power marketing, I quickly realized we were not just a number, we were very valued. So we were treated as professionals and as a partnership. So they came along with us, they helped us to kind of tailor our messaging so that we could attract that woman, that client avatar that we had set out that we wanted to attract. And so now when we come to live events or when we host events with our clients and they tell us, I saw this powerful video ad where you were speaking directly to me. I thought you were talking to me. I was in tears. I wasn't even looking to work with a company, but I found you through this amazing YouTube ad. It's like, wow. Me and Liz looked to each other and we're just like, we made the right choice. We made a good investment in a team that cares about us and that cares about connecting us with our clients. Even when it came to creating the ad and like, what would we say? How would we show up? What is this powerful thing that we're gonna throw tons of money at? How is that gonna be like crafted and created on the back end? I really trusted video power marketing to tell that powerful story for us. They were very innovative and Liz and I are good at what we do as far as like training the women, making sure that our message is, speaking directly to them and helping them to create impact in their businesses. What we aren't good at is coming up with the creative strategy. And that's exactly what they were able to do very quickly. So when we were on set creating the ad, it just felt like so aligned with, wow, this is exactly what we want our women to see. This is gonna really draw them in. Lo and behold, 2 years later, here we are with, a very strong book of clients who love us and love the ad that we created together.